Hello, today I'm going to show you how to change your Apple Watch band in an Apple Watch featuring Apple Watch SE 2nd Gen. So, if you have an Apple Watch, you just need to flip it over to the other side, to the back, and as you can see, you have these little two buttons on the top and on the bottom. So you want to press it a little and just slide the band over like this. As you can see, here is like a little metal fragment that is locking here by magnetic, and now it is locked, as you can see. So you just need to press it a little, slide it, and the same on the other side. Now you have just your Apple Watch without the bands, and if you want to install them, you don't need to press the buttons again, so you just want to slide them in. Oh, and you need to make sure, as you can see, that you are placing the bands in the right way, because it won't lock if you are going to slide it the other way, as you can see earlier. And this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit a like. Bye.